You have discovered the right place if you want to make some additional money on the internet. When you consider that Google processes over 3.5 billion searches every day, it's easy to see why the search engine is such a fertile ground for monetizing one's talents and knowledge. Whether you are a freelancer, a blogger, an entrepreneur, or any other kind of business owner, this video will teach you 10 genuine and realistic methods to generate money using Google. We'll go through everything you need to know to start making money with Google, including the company's advertising networks and third-party tools. We are positive that this video will provide you with useful information, whether you are an experienced Google marketer or just getting started. So, sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive into the world of Google money-making opportunities. Making money using Google is what I would recommend to anybody serious about making money online. There is no denying that many individuals have made a fortune off of Google and that you might do the same. You may be thinking why Google is so crucial and capable of making you a fortune. Here are some of the reasons. Among all websites, Google receives more traffic than any other single entity. They are the most visited website, hands down. The Alexa traffic rank will prove that to you. In terms of user traffic, this system is now the most widely used search engine worldwide. People often use Google to find what they are searching for online. I'm willing to wager that you too utilize Google. Even though there are several other options, the vast majority of internet users, or about 80%, prefer using Google. The term search has been replaced by Google in modern use. Rather than search for it, you may have been advised to Google it. They are that well-liked. You probably already know that Google is a massive corporation. According to several measures of corporate size, including asset size, revenue, market value, and profit, it constantly ranks among the world's top corporations. It's a huge thing if a well-known large corporation like this one offers you the chance to earn money online. Here, we'll examine the most effective strategies for monetizing your Google presence. Now let's go into the ways of making money online with Google. Number 10. Sell your books on Google Play. If you are a writer, you have the opportunity to generate money by selling your book on Google Play. Create a book out of the thoughts that are floating around in your mind to earn some extra cash. Through Google Play, you can submit your book, choose its selling price, and immediately begin generating money. Why wait till tomorrow to get started? Simply go to this page and sell your book on Google Play. The page link would also be available in the description. Number 9. Sell your app on Google Play. The App Store, known as Google Play, is owned and operated by Google. Users of Android devices may get games, applications, and other digital content via the store. You have the potential to earn money by selling your applications via the Google Play Store. Your application may be a game, an app that provides news, or anything else that is helpful. You may charge users a fee for each download if you post it on Google Play and allow them to do so. You also have the options to provide in-app purchases. If you are unable to develop an app on your own, you have two options: pay someone else to do it for you or purchase an app that has already been created. However, before you can continue, you will need to create a Google Merchant account on this page. If you are interested in learning how to generate money through the Google Play Store, then you should proceed in this manner. Number 8. Google AdSense. Most people use this method to earn money from Google. Over 2 million individuals from all over the globe are already making money with it because of how popular and trustworthy it is. Every year, these people bring in about $10 billion in profits. The percentage of Google's income attributable to AdSense reached as high as 22% in 2014. You can earn money from ads on your website, videos, games, and apps by using the Google AdSense service. Every time one of these advertisements is seen, clicked on, or engaged with, the associated advertiser will pay you a fee. Google will pay you every month via your choice of bank transfer or another payment mechanism. You have probably seen such ads on several popular websites. To monetize their content, even the most popular websites like Reddit, CNN, and BBC use Google AdSense. Number 7. YouTube videos. Google owns a video sharing website, YouTube. According to Alexa, it receives more traffic than any other website on the globe. YouTube may be used to generate income even without a website. To get money with Google and YouTube, if you like producing videos with your phone or camera, by adding Google AdSense to your videos, you can monetize them and earn money from YouTube. Affiliate marketing and direct product sales are two other options. YouTube is a great method to earn money online with Google even if you don't have a website, as it's accessible to anybody and everyone. Simply create video content and share it online. Number 6. Work remotely for Google. Working for Google from home is a viable option for those seeking financial independence. The number of Google's remote employees is growing rapidly. Gaining employment as a software engineer or developer will provide you with a great advantage. Remote jobs for Google are an option for those seeking administrative or other types of jobs. Though Google is actively seeking freelancers, approach carefully to avoid falling into fraud. Google only accepts applications via its official website. If you are looking for a remote position, you may use the Google Job Board to do your search. If you are trying to figure out how to make money off of Google while sitting at home, this is a fantastic option. Number 5. Google Ads Consultant. Google Ads is a service offered by Google that facilitates online advertising for businesses, individuals, and nonprofits. It's like AdSense's identical brother. When you provide your services to businesses in need of advertising, you may earn money via Google Ads. Spending on internet advertising is a priority for many businesses. Specialists who can aid them are desperately needed. You can earn money by becoming an internet communication specialist and assisting individuals, political campaigns, and commercial enterprises in reaching their target audiences. Advertising on Google is another option for attracting new customers to your business or products. Number 4. SEO Consultant. We have already proven that Google is the most widely used search engine in this video. Google Search is the primary source of new customers for most internet companies. So, you're in Los Angeles and you want to purchase a vehicle. You go up Google and search, where can I buy a car near me? Likely you'll just buy whatever pops up in the first few search results you see. This is why companies invest so much in gaining a top Google ranking, since this has been shown to increase sales. If you are willing to put in the time and effort to learn how Google operates, you can earn a living as an SEO consultant, helping companies and people increase their visibility in search engine results. To optimize a website for search engines, you need to use SEO. Number 3. Become a Google partner. Get it on the action and join Google as a partner now. Does it seem about right? Obtaining a partnership position in a multinational corporation. The scale of it is just enormous. In contrast, you may seek to become a Google partner if you wish to focus on one or more of Google's services. After completing the steps, you will get a Google Partner badge. To establish credibility as a Google partner, you can display this badge on your website and elsewhere. It will improve your reputation with Google, which is essential if you want to generate money online. Number 2. Free blog on Blogger. Blogging is a great method to generate money online, as we have previously discussed. The downside is that it may be pricey to maintain a blog of professional quality. While we recommend that you use a self-hosted site if you'd rather not pay any cash at all, Blogger is a good option for setting up a free blog. Google owns the blogging service Blogger. Creating a blog is as simple as signing up. If you use Blogger, you can expect speedy AdSense approval. Nonetheless, since it is a hosted service, the AdSense account is likely to have restrictions. Make a blog, fill it with material, and earn money off of it using advertising networks like AdSense and affiliate programs. If you ever feel comfortable doing so, you may switch to a blog hosting service run by professionals. This is a viable alternative if you want to know how to make money on Google with no upfront costs. Number 1. Google Opinion Rewards. What's it like to get compensated for your opinion? It's nice, isn't it? The equivalent of being paid to do nothing. Google is willing to compensate you for your opinion. This is significant for them since it ensures the continued success of their business and the enchantment of their goods. You can use it to easily earn a supplementary income. The software can be obtained from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Offer your input and be paid immediately. For every survey you complete, you can earn up to $1. Look no further if you want to know how to legally generate money online using Google. Just share your thoughts and be paid. Thank you for watching and learning about 10 realistic ways to make money with Google. I hope you found these tips helpful and informative. It's important to keep in mind that success with Google Ads isn't instantaneous. Rather, it requires time, effort, and attention. Thanks again for tuning in, and we hope to see you back here soon for more helpful tips and informations.